Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a game with your students on Blooket. So let's get started right away. In order to share the link for any game or questions or quizzes that you start for your students, simply open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. Then click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log into your account. Now, if you have created any question set for your students, then you will find the link for your set right at the home page on your dashboard. If you hover over to the settings option, you will see the link. Simply click on link and the link will be copied to your dashboard. Now you can simply enter the link and share this with your students, and your students will immediately be able to access your set by using this link. You can also create any new set or host a game from the Discover section by simply clicking on the copy button or clicking on assign homework. If you click on the host button, you will get a join code that you can set up for your game or any homework or assignments that you choose for your students. Once you start your game, you can either copy the join link by clicking on copy join link and share this with your students, or you can also share the QR code, and there are also the digits that act as the game ID. You can share either one of these and your students will be able to join and access your games or question sets. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to share your Blooket with students. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.